Conair Handheld Steamer. The Conair Handheld Garment Steamer is equipped with a robust 1875 watts of power, ensuring quick heat-up and efficient steam production. This powerful steamer effectively removes wrinkles and freshens fabrics, saving you time and effort. Whether you need to steam delicate silk blouses or heavy denim jeans, this steamer provides consistent, high-quality performance across a variety of fabrics. Portable handheld design. One of the standout features of the Conair Handheld Garment Steamer is its portable and handheld design. This compact steamer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently travel or need a quick touch-up before an important event. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly steam your clothes with precision. Strong penetrating steam. The Turbo Extreme Steam technology in this Conair garment steamer delivers high-velocity steam that penetrates deep into fabrics, effectively relaxing fibers and releasing wrinkles. With its strong and continuous steam output, you can achieve professional quality results without the hassle of using an iron and ironing board. The steam also helps eliminate odors and refresh garments, extending their lifespan. Versatile steaming options. The Conair Handheld Garment Steamer offers versatile steaming options to suit different garments and fabrics. It features a detachable fabric brush and a creaser attachment, allowing you to achieve precise steaming on collars, cuffs, pleats, and other challenging areas. The fabric brush gently loosens fibers and helps remove lint and pet hair, while the creaser attachment creates sharp creases for a polished look. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.